Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. 4 reasons to keep driving a 33-year-old car until it gives out. When it comes to vehicles, it's common to develop a strong connection, especially with one that has proven dependable over time. A 2009 car, owned since new, is a reflection of that long-term reliability. Despite showing signs of age, it still performs reliably, and there are solid reasons for holding on to it. 1. No car payment. One of the most compelling reasons to keep an older car on the road is avoiding the cost of a new car payment. In 2022, the average monthly payment for a new vehicle was around $733. After this car was paid off in 2014, that recurring financial pressure disappeared. That money could be redirected elsewhere, which proves especially helpful during financial tight periods when a car loan would have made things harder. Low operating and insurance costs. Older vehicles often come with reduced operating expenses. Even with limited driving these days, this car remains efficient on the highways, keeping fuel costs low. Insurance premiums are also typically lower for older models, providing an additional financial benefit. No stress over cosmetic flaws. The scratches, faded paint, and dents on this car tell a long story. A few marks from road debris, mishaps, and even an encounter with a fire hydrant are part of its history. These blemishes aren't a concern because what matters most is function, not appearance. If appearance were a top priority, a new car might be under consideration, but the value in continuing use outweighs the need for a flawless exterior. Fewer complex features to fail. Older cars often avoid the complications that come with newer technology. This 2009 model lacks modern conveniences like Bluetooth, integrated GPS, or advanced electronic fobs, features that are convenient but also more prone to breaking. While some minor components like window motors have failed, they haven't interfered with the car's usability. These quirks have simply become part of the routine. Continuing to drive this long-owned car wasn't the original plan, but it's turned out to be a wise financial choice. Avoiding new car expenses and the debt that comes with them has led to meaningful savings. At whatever age it is, 13 years old or 33 years old, this vehicle still serves its purpose and there's no urgency to replace it. And I'm speaking from experience. I drive a 1992 Ford Explorer. Why? Because it operates like a champ and I rarely drive it. I'm a cyclist. I cycle everywhere I can, including buying groceries and other knickknacks. With the heavier stuff, I just attach a trailer to the bike, and because I'm in a somewhat bike-friendly environment, it's good to go. But in some places, I understand that you're not in a friendly cycling environment, but you don't need a new car to get from point A to point B. So voice your opinion. Are you pro new car? Are you more of an advocate for driving less and exercising via cycling to get from point A to point B? Or you just shrug it off? You've had a car all your life. You're going to have a car the rest of your life. Comment. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.